Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete all images in ChatGPT. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go ahead over to images right here. You'll be able to see my images or the my images section. If it's not popping out, you can go ahead and refresh the page. Alright, just like so. Now, once done, you can go ahead and click on edit. And then just basically remove your own image. Okay, remove. And then you just go ahead and click on three dots and then click on open chat. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, when you go ahead and click on your image right here, you won't be able to see a delete button. But when you go ahead and click on the rendered image given by ChatGPT, when you click on it, you don't have the option to delete it as well. So what's the best option? Well, you can just go ahead and click on three dots right here at the very top to the whole chat and delete it. But the problem with this option, it will then go ahead and delete your conversation or this whole conversation right here. You can click on the three dots right here as well and click on delete. It's up to you. So go ahead and click on delete. Once that's done, it's gone. Now, if you want to go ahead and bulk delete images, all right, you'll have to go ahead over to the web version of ChatGPT, as it won't work on phones. Okay, so log into chatgpt.com. Now go ahead over to library. Once that's done, we have here the all tab. You can just go ahead and keep it to images. And then just basically click on this checkbox besides name. And it will all be selected. All right. So go ahead and click on delete. Click on delete. Wait a bit. As I says here, these files will be moved to recently deleted and will permanently be deleted after 30 days. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is how you delete images or all images in ChatGPT. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.